Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete search history on Google Chrome. Before I proceed, my name is Gentle Shadow, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do it in a simple time. Now, if you are on Facebook, hit on the follow icon, and if you are on YouTube, subscribe and hit on the bell icon. Now let's go. Open your Chrome. Now click on this three dot line icon on the top. Now click on history. Here there is two ways to do this. Either you delete it by clicking on each one like this, or you click on clear browser data. Click on it. Here select the ones you want to clear. Select the ones you want to clear and click on this clear data. Here are the data that will be cleared if you click on this clear and then click on clear and click on clear. You see it. Every data has been wiped out. Now click on got it. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.